What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the new AirPods 3rd generation. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's also going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So in this video, we will be going over the unboxing of the AirPods, the specs, new features, the price, a comparison between the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro, and lastly, if you should buy it. Alright, so we have the box right here, so let's unbox it, but first let's take a look at the box. So first we're going to have the picture of the AirPods on top, and right here on the back we're going to have the regular sign that it was designed by Apple in California, and it has a picture of the AirPods inside the case as well. So if we look in the side, we have more information, and now let's open this up. Alright, now that we took out that, let's open this box, and the first thing that we're going to see right here is the instruction box as usual. It's going to have a lot of details and warnings and all of that that comes in every single Apple product. And underneath, we're going to have the AirPods 3rd generation. If we take a look at it, it's really nice, but now let's open this plastic up so we can take a look at the finished product. And here they are. So as you can tell, it looks pretty nice, very similar to the AirPods Pro. If we look in the bottom of this box, what we can find right here, it's going to be the charging cable, which is going to be Lightning to Type-C. So we take a look at it, it's really nice, it's the same as usual. Let's put it back in the box so we can begin and talk about the specs of the AirPods 3rd generation. Alright, so now let's talk about the specs. As far as the audio goes, the AirPods 3 have spatial audio with Dolby Atmos. This applies to Apple Music, movies, and TV shows. It also has a dynamic head tracking and adaptive EQ with custom high dynamic range amplifier. The sensors are dual beamforming microphones with a skin detect sensor and a motion/speech detecting accelerometer. It has a H1 headphone chip and it's IPX4, which means that it's sweat and water resistant. The size is about 1.21 inches tall and 0.72 inches wide, and the charging case works with MagSafe charger or Lightning connectors. As far as the battery, the AirPods last up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge, up to 5 hours with spatial audio enabled, and 4 hours talk time with a single charge. With the charging cases up to 30 hours of listening time, 20 hours of talk time, and 5 minutes inside the case will provide 1 hour of listening time or 1 hour of talk time. And when it comes about the new features, the first thing you will notice is the new AirPods Pro inspired design. You're also going to notice the spatial audio and adaptive EQ, the wireless charging and MagSafe, the IPX4 water resistance, and no active noise cancellation. The tweaked contour design is clearly heavily inspired by the AirPods Pro with a shorter stem and accentuated black microphone cutouts. Unlike those more expensive headphones, you won't get the silicone ear tips, so this remains one size fits all, and you won't have a total noise seal to block out the exterior sound. The AirPods 3 also have an IPX4 water resistance rating, which should render them safe from either sweat or rain, and that rating extends to the case, not just the earbuds. For the first time in regular AirPods, with the help of the Apple's H1 chip, you will also find support for spatial audio, including the head tracking, and that means you will get a virtual surround sound experience when listening to compatible music or watching TV or film with Dolby Atmos. Apple has upped the battery life to offer a solid 6 hours of charge in one go, which is far from the industry leading. but certainly closer to the competition. As for charging the case itself, the big upgrade is that by default it now includes not only QI wireless charging, but also supports Apple's MagSafe standard, and that's also being added to the AirPods Pro to make sure they don't feel outdated. The price for the AirPods 3rd generation is around $179, which is really good for what you get. Now, to compare the difference between the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro, we need to start by the obvious, which is its design. If the new AirPods look familiar, that's because they borrow a lot of design cues from the AirPods Pro. Like their pricier sibling, the 3rd generation AirPods have an earpiece that's narrower than the standard AirPods. It's not quite as slender as the AirPods Pro's earpiece, but it's certainly not as round as the standard AirPods. The new AirPods are also water and sweat resistant like the AirPods Pro, which could also make them a more appealing option for those who plan to frequently use them during exercise and outdoor activities. For audio, the AirPods 3 have no active noise cancellation, but it does add other audio improvements. The new AirPods are inheriting to a couple of other audio features from the AirPods Pro, which is the spatial audio and adaptive EQ. The technology generally makes audio feel more enveloping and mimics the experience of being in a movie theater. Apple introduced the feature to the AirPods Pro in last year's iOS 14 update, and it's seemingly becoming a core part of the AirPods' existence. Both the new $179 and the $549 over-ear AirPods Max headphones have this feature. Adaptive EQ adjusts audio based on the shape of your ear and was previously exclusive to the AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. And as far as battery life, the AirPods 3 have longer battery life but the same chip as the AirPods Pro. Apple says they will last for 6 hours on a single charge and up to 5 hours with the spatial audio enabled. The AirPods Pro, by comparison, should last up to 4.5 hours on a single charge and 5 hours if you disable the active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Both the 3rd generation AirPods and AirPods Pro feature Apple's H1 chip, so they should offer similar performance when it comes to tasks like summoning Siri and quickly connecting to Apple devices. Overall, the AirPods 3 seem like they'll bring Apple's earbuds up to speed in the two areas that matter most, which is comfort and audio functionality. And that's especially important as the market for true wireless earbuds has become more competitive with new offerings from Samsung, Amazon, and other rivals. Now lastly, should you buy the new AirPods 3? It was announced in October 2021, and the 3rd generation AirPods have not been in Apple's product lineup for very long, and the company does not release new AirPods models very often. With this in mind, and given that there have not been yet any concrete signs of new AirPods or notable rumors around what an upgraded model could feature, now it's still a very good time to buy the AirPods 3. With a $179 price tag, AirPods can be more expensive than some of its direct competitors, but it's important to note that the H1 chips inside the AirPods offer a seamless and fully integrated pairing and device switching experience for iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV users, which competitors are unable to match. The H1 chip also enables exclusive features like the adaptive EQ and spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. This means that when used with Apple devices, the AirPods seem to be the best option for earbuds when it comes to the features. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.